Hello, it's been a while and hi! Today is a day that I got the itch to start organizing my shirts. So I have a lot of t-shirts and some of them, some of them can be either donated or I just feel that they don't feel comfortable to me. So I'm just gonna go through my tops, and I figured why not record it, because everything is content, obviously. Yeah, I did already go through my short sleeve shirts, but my long sleeve shirts, apparently throughout the year I was like, whatever, I'm just putting whatever I can wherever it fits so I can make it work. But I tend to do this, so today we are gonna go through that. And hey Bubs, so sweet. I love you. So yeah, so we'll go through that together, and Teddy is just going to continue walking in front of the camera because this is his show, it is not mine. Okay, so we are right down here. This is my drawer of long sleeve shirts, or 3/4 length sleeves. I tend to organize my tops with t-shirts and spaghetti straps, or 3/4 length sleeves and long sleeve shirts slash turtlenecks. It just is good for me. I just know that that's how it works. So I have you at this angle, and I know that I'm not going to be wearing these or putting them on to test because I don't want to. I think this is gonna be fine, hopefully. Yeah, I just thought I haven't been on here for a while, and maybe this will be the first video of the year if I don't edit one of the ones that I have from last year. But just to give you guys a bit of an update as to what's been happening. Usually by the end of the year, come November, December, a lot is happening with our family. My birthday is at the end of November, so we have that. Then our wedding anniversary, and then the holidays plus New Year's, so it gets really busy, and you won't see a lot come from me during that time. So really my season stops in Halloween, because then I'm just full on either baking or doing things with my family, which I think you can understand that that's okay for me to do. So that's why I haven't posted much. Yeah, you see, I like this top, but I don't like how it feels. Yeah, I'm getting rid of the blue ones, so I'm gonna get rid of this one too. I'm gonna be going back and forth because that's how my brain works. But anyway, this top is super cute. It has this really pretty gathering at the bust, which makes the bust look super nice. But the fabric it says it's 50% cotton and 50% nylon. I've had this probably since I went to university, which was 2008. We are in 2025, and I have worn it down, but it's very good quality. It still looks nice. I don't like the feeling of it, so off it goes. This one is one of my favorite. I love stripes, so I'm gonna keep all my stripes. I have quite a few of them over on this side, 2 of them. And this one has a little hood. So during those days where I'm a little bit bloated and I want to be very comfortable, especially at night, I'll wear this one. So this is definitely a keeper. This is the one I made last year. I don't wear it often because I didn't do a great job. Maybe I could reuse the fabric for something else. I said I was gonna make pajama pants, and I never did. Maybe this year. Yes, so spent really some nice time with the family. We did celebrate my wedding anniversary, which was our 10-year wedding anniversary. Can you believe that? 10 years. I made a dress for that. We made a cutout moon. I did record those, but I haven't edited them, so those should be coming out soon if this video comes out before that one. Those. We'll see how it all plays out. Man, I feel like a lot of these I just have to refold because it's, like I said, I just like throw things in here and they end up looking really bad and I don't like that. Meh. This shirt I've had since I think 10th grade of high school. And I freaking love it. I'm pretty sure I've mended a few holes in it and I will keep it because I love it. I love, love, love this shirt. Why? I don't know, but I just do. This one, I think this one is super tight on me, so I'm gonna say negative. This one, dang, but sometimes I like wearing things, like I save them because of costumes, so I don't know. No. What? What is it? Come here. Why are you screaming? What's wrong? You wanna help me? This one is really pretty. It's backless. I wore this in one of my reels and I haven't worn it since. But it's because I don't know what brassiere or stickies to wear with it. Because if it's backless, you need something to hold you up, I think. Or I would like, you know? Is it a good boy, Bubs? I'll give you some teddy purrs. I love you. Dang, this is another one that I've had for years. Keeping. A lot of the things that I have are from like years and years ago. I've had, as you've seen, things from high school. I am very lucky that I am able to fit in them. I'm sure that you are aware, because I say this almost in all of my videos, but I don't like spending a lot of money. I'm very frugal, which is probably why like this right here is a little bit difficult for me, because I don't want to potentially be like, oh my God, I needed that and I could have used it for something else. But in the reality is that if it doesn't feel comfortable for me and if I don't wear it often, then why am I still holding on to it? Right? Right? Wait. Oh my goodness, you're so handsome. Oh, I love you. Like this brand, Massimo from Target. We got these after I graduated high school, going into university, because I was like, it's gonna be so cold. I should have some like long sleeve shirts. Some of the other ones, like they've gotten holes, like even this one has little holes in it. But guess what? I'll still wear it. Who's gonna know? Oh, are you gonna tell someone? You're not gonna tell anybody. Come on. You can't start off your 2025 doing that to me. And this is one of the other ones that I told you I have like a blue, 2 blues and a white one. That they're very pretty. Very, very pretty. But it's just, I just don't like how it feels. And I don't do V-necks as much. So no. And this one is a definite keep. I've had this one for years. I love wearing this with like just some shorts in the summer and a bra underneath, obviously, or not. Shit, can do whatever I want. These two are like long sleeve, but they're cropped. Thinking, oh my God, I'm gonna totally wear crop tops. And I think I've only worn this twice. Ugh. That's all right. Maybe this will be the year. Maybe this will be the year. All right. And that's the second drawer. Let me go get my other bin and work on that. Okay, next drawer. This one is my shorts, leggings type of thing, and some some workout shirts. Some of these, like, I haven't worn in forever. This is another Massimo. Kept this one because it is stretchy and it is a very comfortable material, but I don't wear it often. This one, I'm gonna get rid of. It's nearly faded. Like, let's be real. Oof, man, this is a mess. Okay. Oh my god, this one should have been in the long sleeve shirts. So again, this one has to go over there. I like wearing shorts under my dresses, so those are keepers. Like under my skirts and dresses. You know, which makes me think I want to learn how to make, what are those really frilly like shorts that little girls wear under their dresses? Bloomers or something, I think they're called. I don't know. Tell me in the comments if I'm wrong or right. I want to make bloomers. I think they're super cute. Those would be really adorable to have underneath my dresses or skirts, because I love to make dresses and skirts super short because I am super short. So if I wear something long, it makes me look smaller. Yeah, so maybe that is going to be something for the new year if I find a nice pattern. These are the ones that I made for my Greg over the garden wall costume. Most of these shorts are probably going to stay, like, I'm just going to be honest. This is a skirt. Man, I remember getting this in high school with my friend. She and I got the exact same ones, like this one. And I do wear it every now and then. Yeah, I don't want to get rid of it just yet because summer is coming. We're in winter right now, but I know summer is going to come, and when it comes, I might regret getting rid of those. These are like my lounging around the house shorts, so I'm keeping these. Woohoo! University. You guys remember American Apparel? Yeah, but I kept these. I don't know why, but I like them. These are by Nikki Marie Apparel. I'll keep these. These were my mother-in-law's, but it might be better for like a vacation, so I probably put these with the bathing suits. And these I don't think fit me anymore. Alright friends, we're going to do a quick little voiceover. I have a lot of clothes from years and years ago, and which I did say, thankfully they do still fit me. I really encourage you to learn how to mend, even if it is a fast fashion item. Like, we don't want to shop that, period, because we know how terrible garment workers are paid. It's not fair. Haley Marie Vintage, every single video of hers is filled with wonderful statistics showing how much goes into making one garment. So we don't want to shop fast fashion. However, if you happen to shop fast fashion, please, I encourage you to learn how to mend every piece of clothing. A lot of the things that I have been here with me for almost 20 years because I'm able to mend each piece of clothing that I love, and I wear them down until I can't. And if I can't wear them, guess what? They turn into little rags. I just really want us all to learn mending skills, like I'm still learning, so we can keep our clothing longer. I just felt the need to share that here. Back to our scheduled programming. Here's this drawer. All right, let me go put these things together and then like baby show you what this looks like. All right, so we're in my closet. These two up here, we don't touch. Those are my chonies. Y'all don't need to see that. This one was the one that you didn't see me film, but I have all of these t-shirts. This one that was outside that I said I needed to put away. A couple more t-shirts that I've had since high school. These are like t-shirts, like summertime shirts, summertime t-shirts. Right over here we have the long sleeve shirts with turtlenecks. This is looking a lot more organized. And then this one was the one that we just organized. So that's our little setup here for my shirts. I have dresses and skirts and some other tops that are hung, obviously, and there are some sweaters in there. If you don't point with your feet, then I don't know what to tell you. But I hope that you enjoyed this like random little video. Hopefully I put this one out soon, maybe like this week or whatever, and then I'll put out the other videos that I have that I need to edit maybe just a little bit of a rundown. Like I could talk about what I'm planning for this year. I don't have any plans. Like I think I am a little bit more motivated this year than I am last year. I really thought that I wasn't going to be motivated to do a lot of things again for a really long time, but this year I feel like it's a little bit different, so I might be able to start getting some things out, hopefully, because I would like to get to 5,000 subscribers this year, so I'm putting it out there. If you do enjoy my content, you know, like share it with those that you think that might like it. In terms of doing both English and Spanish, I'm always going to try to do both languages. When it's videos like this, it's just easier for me to do English rather than doing both languages. Maybe for the month of January, I'll sprinkle in some of the videos from the previous months, like my anniversary dress, which is right up there, the moon, how we made that, and then I'll just do like a lot of like cleaning, decluttering type of things. I also have a Ko-fi account. I did receive my a Ko-fi tip last year. I didn't share it on YouTube. I did share it on Instagram, but thank you so much, Gwen. I like seriously almost started crying, especially with the comment that you provided. I'll put it over here so that you all can see it, but I do have a Ko-fi account. If you do enjoy my videos, or if you have created something with like my costumes or my crochet, you can always just like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good things. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this type of video, and I'll see you soon. Bye!